Hi, Doug from J.Racenstein. You know what's important to me is your safety out there in the world. So today we're going to bring to you the Itaka harness by Kong, equipped with 3 anchor points. And your side anchor points. The waist belt is equipped with 4 loops for your tools, your bag, your backpack, or whatever you need to connect while you're up in the chair being safe. Maximum comfort, lightweight, a breathable back support that people are telling me are the most comfortable harness they've ever worn. Not to mention the lightest weight harness they've ever worn for high rise. The waistband to increase breathability. 2 loops on the shoulder rescue for a Diapason or vertical rescue. It also has something that's very unique you don't see in a lot of harnesses. If you're into registering your equipment, this is an NFC chip to facilitate and speed up your inspections. All you do is take your phone, you load your NFC, you click it on here, and it registers your harness to your inspection. But it all has to be done electronically. You ought to try one of these today. Kong makes some of the best equipment in the world for safety. And your life is very important to us at J.Racenstein. We want you to stay safe. Most important, we want you to be comfortable. Try the Itaka by Kong today. J.Racenstein, safety